Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dime. I'm a makeup artist and content creator over at Emilie Heathe, and today we will be getting ready for work with me. Let's do it. Hi, so I'm back. I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair, I washed my face. I'm feeling moisturized. So let's get started. So the first step is going to be my Emilie Heathe Lip R&R Exfoliating Lip Balm, because if the rest of my face is moisturized, my lips should be as well. So now that my lips are nice and moisturized, I'm going to clip my hair back so I'm able to start on my face. So I clipped my hair back. It's kind of giving mullet. I'm not mad at it, but the next step is going to be brows. And yes, I am a brow before foundation kind of person. I know there's a lot of discourse, but I'm here to tell you that brow before foundation is the way. So today for my brows, I'm going to be using our Full Up Brow Powder. It is literally a lifesaver in a bottle. So let's get to it. So I personally like a little more drama on the brow. So I'm just making it a little harsher, but that's just me. So now that I have one brow done, I'm going to move on to the other one. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to move on to foundation. During the summer, the most important part of a good base is a good primer. So today I'll be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer to make sure my makeup stays on, even in the heat. Now, sometimes you can put it on your fingers, but I personally just like to put it all over my face. So after you rub it all over your face and you are looking like a glazed donut, you just want to let it sit there for a moment and really get tacky. Now that I've let the primer sit and really dry down, I'm going to put on my foundation. Again, you can put this on to your fingers, but I kind of just put it all over my face. Now, however, I'm going to spread it around with my fingers before I go in with the sponge, just because I feel like sponges absorb a lot of product, so I want to kind of blend it out as much as I can first. And I know it looks super light now, but I promise it dries down to my color. So now that I've blotted it all over my face, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender and blend everything out. So now that it's blended out, I'm going to put on just a little bit of powder on the parts that I applied concealer. For this step, you don't need a lot of powder at all. I literally have like that much on my brush. I don't even know if you can see it, but I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and then the leftover onto my forehead and my chin. For me, some days I do my makeup out of order. Sometimes I'll do my face like 70% and then just move on to my eyes. And today is one of those days. I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow before I finish my face. Green is my favorite color. And the other day I got this shirt. It needs to be ironed, but it's like a foresty, I don't know. It's like, I'm not exactly sure what color green this is, but it's cute. And I like it. And I want my makeup to complement this green. So just like the face, it's important to have a good primer on the eyelid as well. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids right now. And now that I have the primer on the lid, I'm just blending it out a little bit with my finger. So my first color is going to be out of this Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use the shade Orange Soda all over my lid. So now that that's done and my lids are looking super flat, I'm going to go back and add some dimension using this, which is my bronzer or contour, whatever floats your boat. So with this color, I'm going to go on the lid and blend it up and out into the orange soda. So not all the way up, but just on the lid and then enough to kind of smoke it out. So now that that's done, you can kind of see the difference between this lid and this lid. This lid looks a little more flat and this one has just a little bit more dimension, but it's still very subtle. That's kind of the goal for me when I do my makeup for work. Like I don't need to be like super extra. Like I just want to be chill. But anyway, on to the other eye. So now that that's done, I have a secret trick. I'm going to use our Full Up Brow Powder on my lid as well. To do that, I'm going to pour just a little bit of this brow powder out onto this palette and I'm going to use it on my eyes. So taking the brow powder on my brush, I'm going to put it just on the outer corners of my lids. And then after that, I'm going to go back in with Orange Soda from this palette and put it all over the top again, just to kind of help everything blend out. And like I said, I do my makeup out of order sometimes, so now I'm going to go back to the face and finish it up. So for blush today, I'm going to be using our lipstick in shade the new Vamp. I really like this color on me because it's such like a plummy color and it works really well with my skin tone. I'm going to put it on my cheeks, kind of in like a little moon shape, just a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's giving Rudolph. Again, to make it easier to blend, I'm going to go back in with setting spray to kind of re-wet it, and then I'm going to blend it all out. So I want to say my base is like 98% done. The other 2% is highlighter. Sometimes I wear highlighter to work, sometimes I don't, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it today. So in true dime fashion, doing my makeup out of order, I'm going back to the eyes, and I'm going to bring in just a little bit of that green to make it match this shirt. First, I'm going to line my lower lash line using this very small Urban Decay eyeliner pencil. So now that that's done, you could already see it's made a huge difference on the way that my eyes look, but I'm not quite done yet. I think I want to add a little bit of green underneath and kind of like smoke it out. I feel like that would look cool. So to do that, I'm going to take a flat brush like this, apply just a little bit of green eyeshadow to the tip of it, and then very gently smoke it out. So to start the lips, I'm going to line my lips in this brown lip liner. I'm going to go all around the lips, and then I'm going to do a little contour, maybe just a little bit. So it looks a little wacky now, but I'm going to top it off with Mood. So here she is. I'm obsessed, we know that. I'm going to take this color and put it all over my lip and help blend out the lip contour that we've done. Look how beautiful. So I think we might be done. I'm going to set my face one more time because it's hot. I put on the shirt, I kind of styled my hair. This side is way more dry than this side right now, so it's kind of uneven, but I think the vision is there. Anyway, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you all for hanging out and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Emilie Heathe goodness, and I will see you all next week for another video. Bye.